Hey, you, are you interested in getting into real estate investing? Well, as a real estate investor, you have to have a team. My team is so big, I had to write it down so I don't forget. I'm going to show you how to get a team just like mine and more when you join our school.com website. So, here's a team, and here are the people that you need as a new or existing real estate investor: a junk removal guy, hard money lender, DSCR lender, power broker, insurance broker, wholesalers, lots and lots of wholesalers. That's my method. Realtors, general contractors, property manager, AC tech, roofers, plumbers, foundation guys, electrician, lawn care, photographer, CPA, title company, painter, appraiser, inspector, and attorney. That is an exhaustive list. I give you many of mine that are currently on my team if I can, if you're investing in Texas. If you're not investing in Texas, great. I help you understand what you need and why. More importantly, get your first deal under contract because, hey, let's get honest, it gets easier after your first deal. See you guys on the inside.